Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about different scalp issues. So sit back, enjoy the video, and let me know your thoughts on the video. Now, scalp issues among individuals with natural hair are not uncommon and can significantly affect the health and appearance of the hair. Understanding the causes and treatments for these issues is essential for effective management. Below is a detailed exploration of common scalp problems, their causes, and treatment options. 1. Dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis. Dandruff involves white or yellowish flakes of dead skin that shed from the scalp. It can be accompanied by itching and redness. Causes: overgrowth of Malassezia yeast, a fungus that feeds on scalp oils. Excessive production of sebum. Dry scalp or poor scalp hygiene. Reaction to hair care products, contact dermatitis. Weather changes, especially cold and dry air. Treatment: medicated shampoos. Look for products containing ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, salicylic acid, or zinc pyrithione. Natural remedies: tea tree oil, antifungal properties diluted in a carrier oil. Regular washing. Wash hair regularly with a sulfate-free shampoo to keep the scalp clean. Moisturizing oils. Use lightweight oils like jojoba to prevent overdrying without clogging pores. 2. Dry scalp. A lack of moisture in the scalp causes flakiness, tightness, and sometimes itching. Causes: harsh shampoos stripping natural oils. Weather-related dryness. Overwashing the hair. Not moisturizing the scalp after washing. Treatment: hydrating oils. Apply coconut oil, argan oil, or castor oil to moisturize the scalp. Deep conditioning. Use hydrating deep conditioners or hair masks weekly. Humidifiers. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, especially in dry climates. Gentle cleansing. Use sulfate-free, moisturizing shampoos. 3. Scalp psoriasis. A chronic autoimmune condition where skin cells build up rapidly, forming thick, silvery scales and red patches. Causes: autoimmune disorders. Genetics. Triggers such as stress, cold weather, or infections. Treatment: medicated shampoos, tar-based shampoos, or those with salicylic acid to reduce scaling. Topical steroids. Prescribed by a dermatologist to reduce inflammation. Moisturizers. Keep the scalp hydrated to prevent flare-ups. Phototherapy. In severe cases, light therapy can be effective. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Now back to the video. 4. Scalp folliculitis. Inflammation of the hair follicles leading to red bumps, itching, and sometimes pus-filled sores. Causes: bacterial or fungal infections. Poor scalp hygiene. Overuse of heavy hair products that clog pores. Tight hairstyles causing friction. Treatment: antibacterial or antifungal treatments prescribed by a dermatologist. Regular cleansing. Use gentle shampoos to remove product buildup. Avoid tight hairstyles. Prevent irritation and follicle damage. Tea tree oil, diluted in a carrier oil for its antimicrobial properties. 5. Traction alopecia. Hair loss caused by repeated tension on the hair. Causes: tight hairstyles like braids, ponytails, or cornrows. Constant use of heavy hair extensions or wigs. Prolonged tension and lack of scalp rest. Treatment: avoid tight hairstyles. Opt for looser styles and give the scalp regular breaks. Scalp massages. Stimulate blood circulation with lightweight oils like peppermint or castor oil. Protective styles. Use low manipulation hairstyles. Topical treatments. Minoxidil can encourage regrowth in some cases. 6. Scalp acne. Pimples or cysts on the scalp caused by clogged pores or bacterial infections. Causes: product buildup from oils, gels, or conditioners. Excessive sweating without proper scalp cleansing. Hormonal imbalances. Poor diet high in sugars or unhealthy fats. Treatment: scalp scrubs. Use exfoliating scalp treatments to unclog pores. Tea tree or neem oil. Both have antibacterial properties. Medicated shampoos. Products with salicylic acid can reduce acne. Healthy diet. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. 7. Scalp eczema, atopic dermatitis. A condition causing itchy, inflamed, and sometimes scaly patches on the scalp. Causes: allergic reactions, genetics, environmental factors like dry air or allergens. Treatment: hypoallergenic products. Avoid sulfates, fragrances, and parabens. Oatmeal scalp rinse to soothe itching and inflammation. Topical steroids or creams prescribed for severe flare-ups. Moisturizing oils. Shea butter or aloe vera for hydration. 8. Hair loss general. Thinning or shedding of hair, which can be caused by several scalp issues. Causes: scalp infections or inflammation. Poor diet lacking in essential nutrients. Hormonal changes, e.g., postpartum hair loss. Stress or autoimmune conditions like alopecia areata. Treatment: balanced diet. Ensure adequate protein, iron, and vitamins, especially biotin and vitamin D. Scalp massages. Stimulate hair follicles using oils like rosemary or peppermint. Medical treatments. Consult the dermatologist for potential treatments like minoxidil. Protective styles. Prevent further stress on the hair. General tips for maintaining a healthy scalp. Regular washing. Cleanse the scalp to remove buildup but avoid overwashing. Scalp massages. Promote blood flow and stimulate hair follicles. Protect from harsh elements. Wear hats or scarves in extreme weather. Avoid product overload. Use lightweight products and avoid clogging pores. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep the skin, including the scalp, hydrated. Consult a dermatologist. For persistent or severe issues, professional advice is essential. By addressing scalp issues early and maintaining a consistent hair care routine, you can keep your natural hair and scalp healthy and flourishing. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like the video, and leave a comment. Have you ever experienced any scalp issues? Let's know your experience in the comment section, and I'll see you in another video. Take care and bye.